In this guide, I'm going to show you how to leave a WhatsApp group without notifications. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, go to the group chat that you want to leave in the WhatsApp app. Let's just go ahead and say it's this one right here that I created. I think it only has me in it. Let me go ahead and add someone real quick. All right, there we go. So essentially, once you go ahead and get this, you need to tap the group chat name up at the very top. You're going to see an option on here that says leave group. Go ahead and find that and select it. It'll say exit group here as well. When you go ahead and select it, WhatsApp will show a small notice that you left the group. So there's no way to like fully leave completely unnoticed. If you want people to stop noticing you or you just want to stop seeing the group though, what I'd recommend doing instead is just muting the group. So go ahead and go to the same page right here. And then what you want to do is find this notification tabs and just go ahead and turn it off. Turn off all notifications, turn mute notifications on for calls as well. And then when you go on this as well, I just like swipe out and then go to this YouTube group section. Go ahead and then just swipe over and hit archive. That'll move it out of your main chat list as well, and you'll stop getting any notifications. That's the full process. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.